Progressive Shorthand Magazine exercise number 4 start. Long-term strategies need to be implemented to prevent this from becoming a matter of annual recurrence. Full stop. Here is how that can be done. Full stop. First, by the creation and institutionalization of independent task force not directly answerable to either Delhi or central governments. Full stop. Such a task force should be singularly responsible for and have the authority to enforce measures to manage air pollution in the region. Full stop. Policymakers often tend to pass the buck on to each other when they are not directly responsible for a project or have interlayered responsibilities. Full stop. Assigning a single manager responsible for a clear action item drastically improves execution. Full stop. Second, we need to fundamentally prioritize clean air as a basic human right. Full stop. To do this, the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan should incorporate clean air as one of its core tenets. Full stop. A budget for clean air programs should be allocated from the receipts collected from the Swachh Bharat tax. Full stop. The money should be used to improve vehicle emission standards, subsidize alternatives to fuel wood, and subsidize effective crop burning techniques in North Indian states. Full stop. Third, increase the renewable purchase obligations of power as well as of state-run distribution companies in and around Delhi and Haryana. Full stop. Such increases in obligation combined with the growth of renewable energy sources will phase our dependence on coal in the region. Full stop. Fourth, smarter management of cold fronts. Full stop. While we cannot control cold fronts per se, we are control the activities that reduce the intensity of pollution during these periods. Full stop. Reduction in construction activity, odd even for example, during the winters can reduce the concentration on PM 2.5. Full stop. Next paragraph. Newspapers from around the world, from the Washington Post, Wall Street Journal, and the New York Times to the Korean Herald and the Daily Mail, have taken notice and highlighted the severity of the problem here in India. Full stop. Thousands of citizens on Twitter have shared as many dreadful visuals of the reality of the pollution and trended Delhi smog on the social media website for days. Full stop. The negative publicity has certainly dulled our ability to attract foreign investment, foreigners, non-resident Indians, and out-of-state Indian talent to the region. Full stop. This crisis imposes costs on society as a whole as well on the progressive policies that we hope will deliver to us a better economic future. Full stop. At the base level, the state needs to provide the most basic of human rights, clean air to breathe. Full stop. Without this, the economic development vision will not have much meaning to the people of the country. Full stop. The state should make clear policy in this regard to safeguard the health of the people at the earliest